So why am I not receiving Yahoo mails? So let me explain it, and if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there might be multiple reasons or problems why you are not getting them. So at first we need to establish where we are using the Yahoo Mail, because of course there is the official Yahoo Mail app which you can download from the App Store and actually use it for your account like I do. You can see I can get inside and use their dedicated mail client app. So if this one doesn't really work, we need to manage the notifications for Yahoo Mail. So we're going to go to the settings, find the main section and go to the notifications on the left. And from the list of apps, we just go to the Yahoo Mail, which should definitely show up somewhere in here. So let me just close it if it doesn't seem to be there. So let me just go to apps and find it as such. So Yahoo Mail is in here, and seemingly notifications are not even a thing here. So at first we can go to the Yahoo Mail itself, go to the side panel, settings, and you can see notifications right away. So this time I get the pop-up to receive notifications, so I'm going to need to allow it as such. And now I need to change perhaps the sound if I wanted, or decide if all messages are going to be notifications or just the message categories I choose, right? So you can kind of like customize it. The point is that it needs to be set up properly, because if you, for example, have it disabled like this, or if you have notifications set to none, then you're not going to be receiving emails. So that's the important part. I like to keep it set to all messages, and also similarly inside of the settings and Yahoo Mail, the notifications are turned on for banners, notification center, lock screen, everything is turned on. So that's how you need to have it set up if you are using the official Yahoo Mail app. But if you're using the Apple Mail with the Yahoo account, the same thing kind of applies, but we need to manage the settings for that mail client. So we just go to the settings, click on apps at the bottom, and at this time we go to the Mail app from Apple. And in here, the same stuff. I don't have notifications enabled, so I need to enable it, right? And also I need to manage the accounts because I have iCloud Mail. I might have another one as well. And those also need to be turned on to make sure that you actually get the notifications. And similarly, you can also play around with the fetch new data and make sure that push is enabled and that everything is set automatically so you actually get the latest emails from the internet loaded to your iPad automatically in the background. So I hope that I was able to explain it and hopefully fix that issue for you. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.